Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I would like to tell you guys that my book entitled Fundamentals of Information Management is now available in Lazada. So basically, I wrote this book about information management that is very useful if you are taking up courses in Bachelor of Science in Information Systems, Bachelor of Science in Information Management, or Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. This book is uses OBE approach or outcome-based education. This is CHED compliant in terms of the subject matter that is based on the curriculum. So um, there are lots of topics covered here about fundamentals of information management, what is information, concepts and principles that is very useful. At the price only of 350 pesos, we can consider this book that is very affordable to everyone. Okay, so there are 135 pages, and then we have already one review here, and I get 5.0. So it means that this book is quality, so what you are waiting for, uh, kindly order via Lazada. I will put the link in this video so that you can order now, so I can assure you guys that you will never regret to buy this book. Okay, you will learn a lot about information management, and you can use this book as your reference material in your subjects in college. Not only in college, but if you want to learn about information management, this book can be used as a support in your learning. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys, if you're new, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.